Hello, I will tell some questions from bird chapter. Group of animals which have light body due to hollow bones are known as birds. Which one of the following is incorrect? Birds give the bird to young ones. Which bird among the following can fly? Peacock. Which one of the following is used the only mammal that can fly? Bat. Sharp claws of bird are also known as talons. This type of beak is used to take out insects that live under the bark of the tree. Chisel-shaped. This bird has horny beak for grinding nuts. Sparrow. Tailor birds make their nests with leaves. Feeders of birds insulate them from cold. A green plant is a producer. Which is the smallest bird among the following? Hummingbird. Study of birds is known as ornithology. Identify the bird having webbed feet. Duck. Which one among the following has long legs and thin toes that prevent them from sinking in mud? Stork bird. 4 limbs of birds are modified as wings. How many chambers heart do birds have? 4. Body of the bird is covered with feathers. Which bird among the following cannot fly? Kiwi. Name the feeder used by birds for insulation from cold. Down feeder. Parrot is also known as talking bird. Which one of the following helps the bird to fly easily? Body shape of birds, hollow bones of birds, wings of birds. A bird which can fly backward is hummingbird. Which one of the following lays the largest egg? Ostrich. House of a bird is known as nest. A bird which does not build its own nest. Cuckoo. Owl does not eat grass. Name the feeders used by the bird to change their direction. Tell feeders. I am a carnivorous bird. I fly very high in the sky. Who am I? Kite. Bird use beak to eat in the place of teeth. Which among the following does not have horny beak? Eagle. Which of one of the following statement is not correct? All birds reproduce by giving birth to young ones. The direction of wings in the obstruct movement of birds is upward and backward. Name the bird who makes a hole in the tree trunk to live there. Woodpecker. Which bird among the following has hooked beak? Vulture. Sharp tooth-like structure present on the edge of the duck's beak are stringers. Birds have different types of beak based on their eating habit. Body weight of a bird is light due to its hollow bones. This animal has special The giant boat-shaped body, parrot. The largest bird is ostrich. Thank you.